Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best coolest 3D wall decals in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Modern Mural 3D Ocean Sea Beach Landscape Photo Wallpaper. Rock Wall Art Large Mural Wallpaper Render Illustration Wallpaper. Suitable for living room and bedroom, 78.7, Wex 55.1 H. Size. The total dimensions of this mural wallpaper are 78.7 x 55.1/200 140 chem WXH. Cut into 4 pieces for ease of installation, each measuring 19.7 x 55.1. Material. Murals are made of high-quality silk fabric, ecological printing with light-fast, resistant lasting colors, durable and waterproof, fadeless. Product FEA2RE is unlimited creativity to use these different shapes in different locations you like, fill in all cracks or holes. The combination of murals and wall decoration, which show your unique artistic atmosphere. Multiple uses. A variety of styles to meet your different purchase needs: children's room, kindergarten, office, game room, TV background, bedroom. Make your room a new look. Create a charming atmosphere. Number 2. Airplane Window Clings Aviation Decals Stickers Aerial Wall Art VLEQPPW15. Pack of 3 to 14 AX10 decals will enhance the look and feel of just about any room in your home or office. Can be applied to just about any hard, smooth surface. Vibrant colors, digitally printed removable wall decal. Our wall decals are fun and easy to apply. Just peel and stick to put up and unpeel to remove. Easily repositionable. Digitally created, stamped, produced and manufactured by VOAQ. Most travelers know that there is no feeling quite as entrancing as that of floating above the clouds, safely ensconced in an airplane seat. If you want to enjoy both the feeling and the view anytime you want, then you can enjoy the sensation right in your bedroom using this realistic 3D wall sticker. It comes in the form of 3 airplane windows, which will take your mind wandering above the clouds every night. Number 1. Best Price Decals San Francisco Skyline Tiled Wall Decal 11 x 38. Create a space in your home, office, boat, auto, or really anywhere that showcases your personality with our inexpensive, durable, easy-to-install vinyl graphics. All decals can be applied to any clean, smooth, and flat surface. Application areas: walls, windows, tiles, floors, ceiling, doors. Virtually any flat surface. Each decal is made of high-quality self-adhesive Oracle 651 and is a waterproof vinyl, which is easily applied and will look excellent for 5 years on any surface indoors and outdoors. Our decals can be removed safely and with ease. What do you think about taking a sunset walk on the Bay Bridge and taking the splendid view of San Francisco's skyline without even stepping out of your room? If it sounds too impossible to have, you might want to take a look at this 3D wall decal for once. This is one of the most recommended 3D wall decals that allows you to enjoy the beauty of SS Skyline from the comfort of your bedroom.